standards of beauty has changed. Who put this? And who's the creator? The answer is obvious. Allah is the creator. Social media, the biggest influence these days. Biggest. It has a lot of beauty, for sure, but also has a lot of impact. There is a dialogue between Allah and the shaitan. There's many dialogues in the Quran. And Allah says, Allah cursed him, devil, shaitan. And shaitan responded. And then he says, I'm going to do the following. What are the following? I'm going to make sure they, us, will go astray. I'm going to keep them living in hopes, false hopes. And I'm going to order them. They're going to change the way they look. Subhanallah. Every time I read it, and I was like, Ya Allah. And they will change the creation of Allah. So here you are, my beautiful sister. Number one, you're beautiful. You're beautiful. You know why? Because the one who created you is Al-Jameel. Number two, do you really want to follow the shaitan? That's a question you ask yourself. Do you really want to do that? Who are you trying to please? That's very important in our life. What is the goal? We are living here for what? To please people, to please ourselves, or to please Allah?